Hi guys, welcome to my channel and you're watching Simple Living. So today guys, I'm just gonna show you my daily routine here. As you can see, there's a pail here. Later on, I'm gonna water the plants around here, and then after that, I'm going to feed the chickens. So let's go. So this is my eggplants. You see, I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're growing so fast. This is just I just put here. This is a San Francisco plant, and this is we call the datilis. So it will grow bigger and higher, so that soon it will going to have here a shadow here, because the sun is directly hit here, so it's very hot in 12 noon. So I'm also going to water this coconut tree. Coconut. And this thing you see here, this is a palm tree. Yes, I planted a palm tree here. It was lined till there. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 6. I have 6 palm tree. So after watering all the plants, so after that I'm going to feed the chickens. And before that, actually my wife is 8 months pregnant, so she will be the one who will feed the chickens. Actually, she's been feeding the chickens since she started to got pregnant on the first month until now, because just to have a little bit exercise for her. So come on guys. So this is a native chicken. This is a native Philippine native chicken. And I have some Rhode Island here from Dexter's World, and this is a bantam also from Dexter. And I have also new chicks here. Actually, this hen is a native chicken, and the chick is a mixed chicks, because I put some other eggs to this hen, because this hen is a very good in incubating some eggs. So these chicks here, as you see, there's a Siam, a native, and some other also, and also a bantam egg. And here's also, you can see a Dexter's World chicken here, the Siam in this one, and this is the the Siam also. Yes, the first chicks of the Siam. And I also do have this, this a native. I just let them, because soon I'm going to make a chicken cage here. These some of the native chickens are just, I just let them go. You guys just wait there. Mo pa cellphone. Just throw it. They're so very aggressive.
Mahal naman.
Yeah.
Kaya mo naman. Baka naman ka naman yung chicken.
Some pineapple here. So after all feeding the chickens and watering the plants, so it's time for us to feed ourselves too. Because every day we feed them before ourselves. We feed them, we water the plants, and then we take our breakfast. So I don't know if that's that's a normal thing for us. And so thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in my another vlog. And take care, all of us, because still in our city we still have the pandemic because of the new variant of the virus. So I pray for all, and be safe. And special thanks to my friend Reed. Thank you, Reed. And God bless us all.